Boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me no matter where you are in this beautiful world of ours. It's an honor, it's a pleasure to be on your electronic device. My friends, as you know, this is for your education and entertainment only. I'm an author. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I do research. My friends, today I'm doing one of my last trips here by 1933 Industries. Yes, they are open. Yes, I have an opening. I don't see a security guard. I drove over in that area, circling the area. I thought I was being shadowed there. I still may be because they know my car. But anyway, I'm going to try and go in there for a second, my friends. Hang tight. I'll leave some links for you for the books. Thank you for your support, my friends. Let's see what we can see here in a second. It's really kind of dicey here. Let me see, though. I'm going to try and just get a little shot. If I just walk in a little way, I just walk in a little way. If I get harassed, I'm coming right back out. I may have to cut the video off, and it just may be off for a second or so until I can get back to the car and get to a safe area. But let's see what we can do. All right, let's go in a second. Okay, my friends, I'm headed out right now to the 1933 Industries building. Let's see what we have here. Act like it's not even on. Okay, gonna be nice and quiet. I believe they're getting supplies in right now. Just gonna go on over, act like I own the joint. A lot of nice vehicles, nice trucks, work trucks, and all that. Just taking a peek. They're putting supplies in. How you guys doing? Good, good. Just taking a look. How close are you guys to opening, you think? Things are open now? No? No? Just asking. It's private property? Okay, no problem. Okay, as you can see, they zeroed in on me, but they got supplies, and the one guy looked like he was really associated with the company, and they're getting supplies in, and there's your report. I'm not going to argue with these guys. I'm not going to fight with these guys. Once again, it's a scoop. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you. We're boots on the ground. We go to the different locations and we try and find out what's going on. I'm going to get out of here before they mess with me a little bit here, my friends. Well, we've tried, and I can confirm that they are opening and they are moving in supplies. So, he's calling right now. Calling police on me. Damn it. Darn it. Let me get up out of here. That guy was here. That guy was here. That guy was here. Let me get up out of here. That guy was here. He's coming over, trying to get my plate. I'm gone. Dude, I'm gone. Out of here. Okay. That's it for me. No more 1933 Industries. Okay? No more. No more. That's it. I'm not getting arrested over this company. Forget that. Forget it. We'll see, guys. I don't know where this company's going. I don't know what's going on with them. You know, they've been secretive now for a long time. Their earnings were out. They're making they're making money, and we'll just take it from there. They're making moves here and there, and the security has gotten a lot better. You know, if I'd have stood there, the guy would have probably, you know, he was coming my way, he would have took me down. So I didn't want any of that. So he's okay. So I'm out. Private property, that's theirs. Do whatever they want to do. The company is the company. Is it THCX? What coming out today, my friends? The new ETF that we were telling you about. I think it's about $24 or so. It's coming out first day of trading today. Also, be going over to the Summer League, right? The Summer League You know all the talk. Everybody's been giving Jerry West a lot of love, you know, because he's the general manager or what have you, president, player personnel, what have you, of the Clippers for getting their coup with, you know, with Leonard moving over from the world champs Toronto Raptors over to the Los Angeles Clippers. So a lot of people have been giving him a lot of kudos there. And saw LeBron came in. LeBron, one of the first stops LeBron made was with him yesterday, 2 days ago or so. He comes in with his posse. He's got AD on one side, and what's the kid there? He looked like a kid, a youngster, on the other side of him. You know, that's his new big three there for the Los Angeles Lakers. I forget the kid's name. You know, Ball and all those guys were like, they're gone over to was that New Orleans, and he stayed. So I forget his name. I'll get his name for you, but it doesn't matter. But he thinks, you know, he's the top dog there. But I beg to differ. I believe that the lowly Clippers, the perennial losers in the Pacific, will have something to say about that. But that's on the sports tip, my friends. Back on the marijuana tip. Right, back on the stock tip. My friends, we're waiting for this major catalyst, and we'll see how it goes with Donald Trump signing 232. We'll just see how it goes. We're on wait. We're waiting, anticipating, and companies are seeing what they can do, and we'll see. It's just a waiting game now. It's within days of something happening at the White House, him saying yes or him saying no. We'll see. But if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We're boots on the ground. We go to these different locations. We talk to the CEOs. We talk to different people. We try and find out what's going on at these different companies. As you know, during the dot-coms, this is what I did. So this is not new. This is not my first rodeo, my friends. During the dot-coms, we went around and found all kinds of paper companies. You know, these are companies that were just big and bad on paper, but there wasn't even a building there. But things were going so fast during the dot-coms. You put .com on the end of your name, you went from $5 to $100 in one day. So as you guys know, I've called IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties. That's going to be my AOL of the 90s. I expect it to go up and split and go up and split and go up and split. Sometimes like AOL did in the 90s, it did it twice a year, you know. So it was a beautiful thing. Your stocks doubled, it goes up, double. You made you made quite a bit of, it sets you up for the next 5-10 years or so. That's what we're looking at with IIPR, with Innovative Industrial Properties. It's fluctuating right now, up and down. You know, they had a big run up, so it's got to do some price and time right there at the 120, 125, 130. I say from 120 to roughly 130ish or so. We got to do some time there. We got to do some time. I'd like to see it do. I'd like to see it do 2-3 weeks, maybe in a month or so, in that area before our big push come September, October, you know. And it's playing out just like it did before. I'm on record. I was wrong. I said it wasn't going to play out this way. I said the Americans were going to buy up the market. Well, my friend said that hasn't happened. I was wrong. I stand corrected on that. A lot of my friends said, nope, Mickey D, it's just as they were right and I was wrong. So that's the name of that tune so far. So far. So I do think it'll happen a little earlier this year. We may start our run in August instead of September, October, you know. So if we do, then I can't really claim victory because people have been beat down. But it's about the comeback, my friends. This is a marathon. It's not a sprint. And we're going to do what we have to do. But with that said, you have a great day. God bless you. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. Hit the like, share some of these videos, my friends. I hope to have playlists for you where you can go from one to the other, and you won't have to search around for some of these videos. Well, we'll do that. But you take care of yourself and take care of your family and have a great day. Sorry we couldn't do our thing with 1933 Industries, but I can confirm that they are moving product in there and they're taking care of business. Take care. Love you. God bless you.